In this lesson, we will understand how to filter dates in Tableau. With that, we will also understand the concept and implement an example on Tableau itself. So let us start. So filtering dates refer to filtering according to specific date ranges or periods. So just like we did in the previous lectures, to filter dimensions and measures, we will drag any of the date fields to the filters shelf or pane so that you can filter by dates. It also helps you in analyzing specific time periods, trends and seasonal patterns more effectively, like selecting relative dates, selecting time frame. Okay, so we will see an example. We already created the Amit underscore Tableau underscore filters workbook, and within that we will create a new sheet, filter dates, and filter the dates accordingly. So this is our Tableau. First I'll create a new sheet by clicking here. I'll name it filter dates. Okay, and we already saved this in our Amit underscore Tableau underscore filters workbook. Now let us filter the dates. Now first I'll drag the measure profit. This is the measure, if you remember. If you will drag it and you can see the difference. Drag the profit measure to rows. Now it's visible sum of profit, and after that drag the order date, that means the following, to the columns. Okay, now a line chart is visible, but we need to filter by dates. Here you can see order dates are visible. Now drag the order date to the filters so that we can filter by date. Now what is visible? A new dialog box is visible. Okay, click here range of dates and click next. Now the section is visible. Here select range of dates, already selected on its own, and here set the date range to get the profit between a specific period, because we have already selected sum of profit for rows. So I'll select a date. You can also mention the date from here like this, or you can just drag it. So I'll just drag it. Okay, this looks fine to me. And the last you can also drag it like this, but I'll keep it here. This looks fine. Okay. Now what you need to do, it's very easy. Click on apply, then OK, because we have already selected the range of dates. Apply and OK. From 2nd October to 25th December. Now what is visible? The filtered values are visible. We have filtered by dates and the profit is visible for the same time period which we mentioned. I'll just change the view to entire view. This looks fine now. For 2023 and 2024, the same time period which we mentioned in the filter. Okay, if you want to check again, click here, edit filter, and this was the range. Okay, from 2nd October till 25th December. Okay, so in this way guys, we can filter by dates. We can now see the filtered values based on a specific date range filter, and we saved the sheet as filter dates under the same project. Thank you for watching the video.